Are you looking for the best Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter? In this video, we want to the top 5 best Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Jinserta Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter. A symphony of features for your drive. The Jinserta Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter emerges as a multifaceted companion for your car, seamlessly blending technology, convenience, and superior sound quality. Let's delve into the key features that make this device a standout choice for any driver. Large color display. The first thing that captures attention is the large color display, visually presenting a plethora of functional information. This feature not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also ensures easy navigation and control. Colorful large screen HD lossless sound quality. The FM transmitter elevates your in-car audio experience with EQ sound adjustment capabilities, ensuring optimal sound quality. Whether you're listening to music or engaging in hands-free calling, the HD lossless sound quality adds a new dimension to your driving experience. The inclusion of Q3.0/P3.0 fast charge further enhances the device's practicality. High-performance Bluetooth 5.3 chip. Powered by a high-performance Bluetooth 5.3 chip with MIPS plus DSP dual-core architecture, the transmitter incorporates CVC intelligent noise reduction and cancellation technology. This results in smoother music playback and crystal-clear call quality, minimizing disruptions during your drive. Mobile phone music play. The Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter seamlessly integrates with your mobile phone, allowing synchronized display of lyrics and online music play. Compatibility with mainstream music apps ensures you can easily choose your favorite songs without any hassle. Support U-Disc, plug and play. Versatility is a key highlight, as the transmitter supports various brands of U-Discs. With compatibility for WMA, M3, WAV, AP, and FLAC music formats, you can effortlessly enjoy your preferred tunes. The ability to adjust the frequency of the car radio to synchronize with the Bluetooth MP3 player enhances the plug-and-play convenience. Support TF card, plug and play. Similar to U-Discs, the FM transmitter extends support to TF cards. Offering compatibility with multiple music formats, including WMA, M3, WAV, AP, and FLAC, it ensures a hassle-free playback experience. Adjusting the frequency of the car radio to match the Bluetooth MP3 player simplifies the plug-and-play process. In conclusion, the Jinserta Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter stands out as a comprehensive solution for your in-car entertainment and communication needs. Its large color display, high-definition sound quality, Bluetooth 5.3 technology, and support for various media formats make it a must-have accessory for an enhanced driving experience. Number 4. Joyroom Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter. Elevate your driving experience. The Joyroom Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter emerges as a game-changer, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design for an enhanced driving experience. Let's delve into the standout features that set this car accessory apart. FM transmitter and AUX adapt. Enjoy versatility with the FM transmitter and AUX adapter functionality, allowing you to connect seamlessly with various devices for an immersive audio experience. Hi-Fi Bass Boost. Experience audio like never before with the Hi-Fi Bass Boost feature. Whether you're into music, podcasts, or audiobooks, the Joyroom transmitter ensures that every sound is rich and resonant. Much safer driving experience. Mounted to the air vent, this Bluetooth car adapter brings convenience to your eye level, eliminating the need to lower your head. This design choice contributes to a safer driving experience by minimizing distractions. Clearer calls and Siri/Google Assistant. The enhanced microphone, equipped with 2-3 more sound collecting ports than other Bluetooth FM transmitters, ensures crystal clear calls and seamless interaction with virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. 3 ports charging and LED light design. Stay connected on the go with the ability to charge 3 devices simultaneously. The PD30W Type-C port and 2Q3.0, 18W each, USB charging ports offer efficient charging. The LED light design adds a touch of modernity to your car's interior. Bluetooth 5.3. Embrace the latest in Bluetooth technology with the built-in Bluetooth 5.3 chip. Enjoy faster pairing and a more stable connection, ensuring uninterrupted music streaming and clear calls throughout your journey. Eye-level operation versus lower head operation. Compared to traditional lower head operation, the air vent install design brings the Bluetooth receiver closer to eye level. This facilitates easier control over audio tracks, volume adjustments, and virtual assistants like Siri, allowing you to maintain focus on the road. In conclusion, the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter redefines your driving experience with its multifunctional capabilities, advanced Bluetooth technology, and thoughtful design. Whether you prioritize safer driving, impeccable sound quality, or seamless connectivity, this transmitter is a must-have addition to your car accessories. Number 3. Lencent Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter. Elevating your in-car experience. The Lencent Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter stands out as a top-tier car accessory, seamlessly integrating advanced technology and superior construction. Let's explore the standout features that make this transmitter a must-have for your vehicle. All metal and upgrade components. Crafted from a single-piece zinc alloy, this car Bluetooth transmitter boasts exceptional heat dissipation, preventing overheating issues. The internal components adhere to high standards, ensuring a textured, high-quality, and durable device. Bluetooth 5.3. Embrace the future with the upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 chip, providing faster pairing, a more stable connection, and clearer calls. The optimized antenna module enhances call quality significantly, supporting one-touch call/hang-up functionality. The transmitter seamlessly integrates with navigation apps, Siri, and Google Assistant on your phone. Hi-Fi music and color light. Experience precise and stable music streaming with no interruptions. The high frame rate data transmission supports lossless music streaming, creating a serene driving atmosphere enhanced by colorful breathing lights. PD20W and QC 3.0. Equipped with PD20W and QC 3.0 fast charger, this wireless Bluetooth car adapter delivers up to 5x charging speed for 2 devices simultaneously. Charge your phone, tablet, or other devices with confidence, thanks to smart charge monitoring that prevents overload, overcharge, short circuits, and other accidental situations. Easy to use and wide compatibility. Boasting a simple construction, the Lencent Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter is user-friendly and compatible with all vehicle types, including cars, trucks, RVs, and pickups. It supports Bluetooth-enabled devices like iPhone 14, Samsung Galaxy S22, iPad, iPod, and Huawei devices. In conclusion, the Lencent Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter seamlessly combines robust construction with cutting-edge technology, offering a superior in-car experience. Whether you prioritize fast charging, exceptional music quality, or hassle-free operation, this transmitter delivers on all fronts, making it an essential addition to your car accessories. Number 2. Baseus Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter. Elevate your driving experience. Baseus introduces its cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter, a device designed to enhance your in-car connectivity and entertainment. Here's a closer look at the standout features that make this transmitter a must-have for your driving adventures. Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Stay ahead with seamless connectivity powered by the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Enjoy stable and fast transmission of audio signals, ensuring a reliable connection for uninterrupted music streaming and hands-free calling. Dual USB car charger. Keep your devices powered up on long road trips with the convenience of the dual USB car charger. Simultaneously charge 2 devices, ensuring both your smartphone and other gadgets are ready for action when you need them. FM transmitter. Transform your car into a mobile entertainment hub with the FM transmitter feature. Play music directly from your phone through your car's speakers, providing a hands-free solution for drivers. Enjoy your favorite tunes without compromising safety. PD18W car charger. Experience fast charging on the go with the PD18W car charger. Ensure your devices receive a quick power boost, keeping them charged and ready for your journey. Advanced Bluetooth 5.3. Benefit from upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology, offering faster response times and higher stability. Whether you're connecting via Bluetooth or using a flash drive, enjoy hi-fi playback with premium sound quality. Wide compatibility. Designed to cater to various vehicles, the Baseus Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter is applicable to all 12V 24V cars. Experience the convenience and versatility of this device across different car models. In summary, the Baseus Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter delivers a sophisticated blend of technology and functionality, providing a seamless and enjoyable driving experience. Stay connected, charged, and entertained with this versatile and innovative car accessory. Number 1. Joyroom Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter. Elevating your driving experience. Embark on a journey of enhanced connectivity and superior driving with the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter. This innovative device brings a host of features to redefine your in-car experience. Let's delve into what makes this transmitter stand out. Quality warranty. Crafted with precision using PC plus ABS materials, the Joyroom FM Transmitter boasts an exquisite texture, durability, and superior heat dissipation. This design ensures safety and longevity, offering a reliable companion for your road adventures. Enhanced dual mics for clearer voice. Experience crystal clear hands-free calling with the dual microphone setup. These advanced mics capture your voice from all directions, while CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology filters out road noise, wind noise, and other distractions. The result is a communication experience where both parties can hear each other with exceptional clarity. Most advanced Bluetooth 5.3. Stay ahead with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, providing a faster, more stable, and smarter connection. Enjoy CD-like sound quality, and say goodbye to transmission delays and connection issues often associated with older Bluetooth versions. The Joyroom FM Transmitter is compatible with a range of devices, including iPad, iPhone, Samsung, Google, LG, HTC, and more. PD30W and QC 3.0 fast charging. Keep your devices charged at lightning speed with the PD30W Type-C and Q3.018W USB charging ports. Experience 4 times faster charging than standard ports, and utilize an additional USB port for music playback via AU disc. 7 color changing light. Immerse yourself in a vibrant driving atmosphere with the 7 color changing light design. The rainbow lights along the outer circle create a dynamic ambience, making your driving experience more enjoyable. Clear and stable hands-free calling. Prioritize safety with the hands-free design, allowing you to seamlessly answer, hang up, reject, or redial calls with a simple click. The FM transmitter supports voice navigation with Siri and Google, ensuring a smooth transition between calls and music. In summary, the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.3 Car FM Transmitter offers a comprehensive package of quality, advanced technology, and safety features, making it an indispensable companion for your on-road adventures. Upgrade your driving experience today.